Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Stripe invoices with NetSuite integration. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Stripe invoices with NetSuite integration, begin by logging into your NetSuite account. Navigate to the integration section in your dashboard. Click on the Stripe integration option to access the settings. Ensure that your Stripe account is connected to your NetSuite account. If not, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, locate the invoice feature in NetSuite. Select the invoice you wish to update from the list. Review the current details and confirm they are accurate. To sync the invoice with Stripe, look for the sync option on the invoice page. Click the sync button and wait for the system to process the request. Monitor the status of the sync to ensure it completes without errors. After the sync is complete, verify the updates in your Stripe account. Check that the invoice reflects the correct information and status. If adjustments are needed, return to NetSuite to make edits. Once edits are made, repeat the syncing process to update Stripe again. Continue this process for any additional invoices you need to update. Regularly check both platforms for any discrepancies or errors. Maintaining accurate records in both Stripe and NetSuite is crucial for seamless operations. Feel free to reach out to support if you encounter any issues during the process. That concludes your quick tutorial on updating Stripe invoices with NetSuite integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.